Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your JotForm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up invoices for your JotForm products? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you set up invoicing with your JotForm account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that setting up and designing invoices for every single sale can be time consuming. So with JotForm, you can automate the process. That way, if there's a JotForm sale, they'll automatically receive an invoice. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my JotForm account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up invoicing for your JotForm products, it's going to be handled in the form level, not on the account level. So what you're going to need to do is here on the left, click on all forms. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your JotForms you have. You can see I just have these two, and just hover over the JotForm that you need to set up invoicing for. So for example, this one, and the line's going to turn purple, and you'll see these three options. Just click on edit form. Okay, once you click there, it's going to open up the form builder. You can see here is my JotForm. Now, this is not a tutorial on how to add products into your JotForm. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So this is assuming you've already added the products into your JotForm to be purchased, like I have right here. So next, what you're going to do in order to set up invoicing is just click on the products line right here, and you should see this blue outline and these four options. You want to click right here, product list. Okay, once you click on product list, you're going to see this menu pop up here on the right. And in order to set up invoicing, click on invoice right here on the top right. Okay, here is how we can go ahead and send out an invoice. So what's going to happen is if somebody fills out this JotForm, they're automatically going to receive an invoice if this box is checked yes. If it says no, you need to make sure it turns blue. Now you can go ahead and set up your invoicing information. So we can go business name, and you're going to set up your email, phone number, and address. You can set up any kind of invoice terms right here. You can add your company logo right here. And then you want to make sure this is checked. So that way it's attached to the email. So this invoice would be sent with your emails. And then you want to open this up and click on autoresponder. That way, when this form is submitted and there's been a purchase, it's going to go out attached to the autoresponder that you've already set up. Okay, so now invoicing is set up for this JotForm. So anytime somebody makes a purchase with this JotForm, they're going to go in autorespond, which we set up earlier. And on that autoresponder will be attached their invoice. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up invoicing with your JotForm products, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.